ஹாய் நீட் ஆஸ்பிரண்ட்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி. வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி சார்பாக அனைத்து விதமான டாபிக் சார்ந்த ஒவ்வொரு வீடியோவும் இனி வரும் நாட்களில் உங்களுக்கு வரும். உங்களுக்கு இதை சார்ந்த சந்தேகங்கள், கேள்விகள் எதுவாக இருந்தாலும் கமெண்ட்ஸில் பாஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். எங்கள் எக்ஸ்பர்ட் ஃபேக்கல்ட்டி மெம்பர்ஸ் போடுற வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அந்த வீடியோ ரெகுலராக உங்களுக்கு வரணும்னா சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. தேங்க்யூ. விஷ் யூ ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட்.
My name is Mahanandi. I am a physics faculty. Now I am explaining for the time period of the pendulum. Already previously we have discussed the spring pendulum is we have discussed, and conical pendulum also we have discussed the previously. Now I am explaining for the simple pendulum of the time period. At any one of the string is suspended of the at stand based, some mass is connected. This particular mass at M, string is suspended from the to at particular point of mass at the center. In between distance is the length. This is the length. Now if you suppose this particular body is at oscillations, if your oscillations is continuously means that time how much time period is taken means, now body is at oscillated. Now the in between of the length is the same only L, some angle theta is oscillated. Now here exactly the body is downward is the gravitational mg, and same the angle is the oscillations of theta. Here also theta having same angle. This component is mg cos theta component. Exactly perpendicular of the component is mg sin theta component. Now here if your body is continuously of the simple pendulum is oscillation, time period 1 means first we need the this body is moving in a circularly oscillated means that time immediately torque is exist. Torque, this torque is the restoring torque or normal torque na. If your simple pendulum is coming to once back means that torque is restoring torque. Tau equal to restoring torque is the negative of the force into perpendicular. Now here torque tau equal to minus F means force is the mg sin theta into perpendicular distance is the L means tau equal to minus mgl sin theta. But here angle is the small angle means small angle sin theta nearly equal to theta. Now tau equal to minus mgl theta. This is equation number 1. Now generally torque having torque equal to I alpha. I means the moment of inertia, alpha is the angular acceleration means torque tau equal to I alpha. Now tau equal to I means moment of inertia. Moment of inertia means mass is the m, perpendicular distance square is the L square, m L square into alpha means the angular acceleration. Angular acceleration is the d square theta by dt square. Equation 2. Now the balanced of the equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 is equal to equation 2 means m L square d square theta by dt square equal to minus mgl into theta. Now here m cancel, l cancel, remaining is d square theta by dt square is equal to minus g by l into theta. Equation number 3. Generally the acceleration we know, acceleration is equal to a equal to minus omega square y. Now comparison of the third and fourth. Compare equation third and fourth. Now omega square is equal to G by L. Omega equal to root of G by L. If now omega we know means the pendulum is oscillated how much time period taken means time period T equal to 2 pi by omega. Now omega is substitution T equal to 2 pi root of L by Z. Reciprocal method applied time. If at any one of the simple pendulum is oscillation of the time period is T equal to 2 pi root of L by G. Now here time period is directly proportional to root L and time period is inversely proportional to the root G. These are the explanation of the effects. Pendulum is oscillated continuously means one complete oscillation purpose time period formula T equal to 2 pi root of L by G. Now time period is T equal to 2 pi root of L by G. T is directly proportional to root L. T1 by T2 is equal to L1 by L2 whole to the power of 1 by 2. Suppose if you change of the length, change of time also means change of time by time is equal to half of the change of L by L. This is the relation. Now here change of the length based of the relation coefficient of linear expansion alpha is equal to change of the length by original length into change of temperature. Alpha is the coefficient of linear expansion. Now change of the length by del L by L equal to alpha into del theta. Here where alpha is equal to coefficient of linear expansion now here del theta is the change of temperature. Change of temperature. Now here del L by L is substitution of the change of time period base means del T by T is equal to half into alpha into del theta. And another one more of application, Young modulus Y equal to stress by strain. Strain is the del L by L. Now del L by L equal to stress by Y. Stress is the formula is the force by area by Y means F by AY. Del L by L equal to F by AY. Now this del L by L is substitution of the change of time period based means del T by T equal to half into F by AY. If at any one of the simple pendulum having the simple pendulum of the body mass is changes and everything length also changes means that time coefficient of relation based change of time period formula del T by T equal to half into alpha into del T. But if you at any force area applicable in Young modulus means del T by T equal to half into F by AY. These are the explanation of the simple pendulum of the oscillations of time period. Now simple pendulum is connected at any lift. One lift having lift inside of the simple pendulum is connected. This simple pendulum of the length L having, but the lift is moving upward. Acceleration is A having. The time, generally time period formula T equal to 2 pi root of L by G. But if your body is of the lift moving upside, the acceleration is the time period T equal to 2 pi root of L by G plus A. If your lift is moving upside, the acceleration is added here. Now, same as it is one lift having, lift inside is the pendulum is connected, simple pendulum length L having, but lift moving downside, acceleration is downside. Now time period is T equal to 2 pi root of L by G minus A. These are the, if your lift is for coming to downside, the acceleration is A having, time period taken is the T equal to 2 pi root of L by G minus A. Now lift is at freely falling. Here pendulum is hanging, length L, lift. Now freely falling. Freely falling means downward of the acceleration is equal to acceleration due to gravity. Now time period T equal to 2 pi root of L by G minus G. G minus G means A acceleration replace G substitution. Now G minus G means 0. 0 something by 0 means infinity. Time period is equal to infinity. These are the explanation of the at any simple pendulum is inside of the lift having, the lift is moving upside of the time period, moving coming lift moving moves come to the downside of the time period and freely falling of the lift, that time the time period of the simple pendulum. These are the explanation of the total concept of the simple pendulum. Now time period of the physical pendulum. At any one of the body having rigid body, the body is at of the suspended of the at the center of the gravity of G, but this is the suspended. Now the distance of the gravity based is the D having. If you this gravity of the rigid body is oscillated, time period how much taken means, now that body of the G is here, distance is the D, now downward is the mg, same angle of the theta is oscillated, here theta, this is mg cos theta, here mg sin theta. Now same as it is, if you body of the oscillation time of means the restoring torque is applicable. Restoring torque is equal to tau is equal to restoring torque equal minus force into perpendicular distance. Now force is the mg sin theta. Tau equal to minus mg sin theta into perpendicular distance is the d. Now tau is equal to minus mg d sin theta. Now here the oscillation of the angle is the small angle. Small angle sin theta nearly equal to theta. If a small angle sin theta is nearly equal to theta means now substitution of the torque tau is equal to minus mg d theta. This is equation number 1. Now same as it is, if you oscillations time torque is having torque tau is equal to I alpha. Now tau is equal to I moment of inertia of the physical body. This total of the physical body of this means moment of inertia. Alpha means d square theta by d t square. This is equation number 2. Compare equation 1 and 2. Now equation 1 and 2 means I d square theta by d t square equal to minus mg d theta. Now here d square theta by d t square is equal to minus mg d by I equal to into theta. Now this is equation number 3. Now acceleration formula. A equal to minus omega square theta. Now equation number 4. Equation 3 and 4. Omega square is equal to the mg d by I. Now omega is equal to mg d by I root. Now the time period of the physical pendulum is time period t equal to equal to 2 pi by omega, means t equal to 2 pi. Omega substitution means I by mgd root. If at any one of the physical pendulum having the means the physical pendulum of the time period is equal to the t equal to 2 pi root of I by mgd. These are the explanation of the physical pendulum of time period. Now if you at any one of the big pendulum having the big pendulum of the time period, how much pendulum? If you big pendulum of the time period is t equal to 2 pi root of 1 by g into 1 by L plus 1 by R. These are the time period of the pendulums based. Now here if you suppose small pendulum L is very much less than the R. After this is immediately 1 by L is greater than of 1 by R. That time here 1 by R is at negligence. 1 by R is small value, neglect. Now t equal to 2 pi root of 1 by G by L means T equal to 2 pi root of L by G. If you suppose that the length and radius both are is equal, L is equal to the R means time period formula, T equal to 2 pi root of 1 by G into 1 by R plus 1 by R. Now LCM is the R, T equal to 2 pi. LCM is the R, here 1 plus 1 by R, 2 by R means root of 1 by G into 2 by R. Reciprocally applied means T equal to 2 pi root of R by 2G. These are the explanation at the time period at both length of the pendulum and body of the radius both are equal having means time period formula. If you suppose if L is equal to infinity distance having, L is at infinity distance means the time period formula T equal to 2 pi root of 1 by G into 1 by L, substitution infinity means infinity plus 1 by R. Now here 1 by infinity value is 0 is coming, next G by R is coming, T equal 2 pi root of 1 by G into 1 by R. Now reciprocally applied, T equal 2 pi root of R by G. R is the radius of earth. If you the radius of the earth R equal to 6400 kilometer, G equal to 9.8 meter per second square considered, 2 into pi value is 3.14. After substitution of that one complete oscillation of the time period is 84.6 minute of the time period is taken. Time period T equal to 84.6 minute. These are the explanation of the pendulums of the simple pendulum of time period and physical pendulum of the time period. And if you suppose one simple pendulum is inside of the lift, having the lift moves upward and downward, freely falling also we have discussed. If you suppose the big pendulum having big pendulum having time, the big pendulum of the radius is at radius of earth having R equal to 6400 kilometer having, that time one complete oscillation purpose time period equal T equal to 84.6 minute is coming. These are the explanation of the time period of pendulums. Thank you for watching.